Just like yoga, I truly believe in the power of Ayurveda and reaping its benefits in day-to-day life. When season changes, there are higher chances of cold and cough. So I trust Kofol Ayurvedic Range from Carak Pharma, who are leaders in Ayurveda for the past 74 years. Their products are 100% natural, passed through stringent quality checks and are exported to 35 countries. For throat irritation, मेरा favorite है Kofol Chewable Tablets जो मेरे साथ हमेशा रहता है. It not only helps in relieving my sore throat but also leaves my breath refreshed, and it's easy to carry around too. Kofol also has amazing Ayurvedic products like cough syrup, gargle, rub for complete throat care, and also immunity tablets for boosting my immunity. Stay healthy and stay safe.